Hello and welcome to Tips for Anything. I will show you how to get Cydia on your iPod and also clean your iPod. First, let's get started. Now, you gotta put in your passcode. Nope. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have Cydia. Now, go to Cydia. Takes a while to load. It's a 2G, so it's pretty slow.
Eventually, the models are ready for their racing. Well, we've got some questions about smoothness and dimples, and hopefully, here at the Fusion Furniture Lab National Research Center, we'll find the answers that we're looking for. Hey, Curtis, we got some...
Just wait till it's done downloading.
Fantastic, and you get to work for easy anytime, all right?
Well, first I'm going to tell you how to get Cydia. Well, this will not work on 4.3.2 yet until Green Poison comes out with the new software to jailbreak it. This is for 4.2.1 and under. Now, to get Cydia, go to greenpoison.com. Okay, and follow the jailbreak instructions. If you're not that completely of a dumbass, then you can do it. Second, if you want to clean your Cydia, press the home button. Now, this would work with any clean cloth, but I prefer Kleenex. Works better, no viruses. Just wipe your iPod like that. And you have a clean jailbroken iPod. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want. And I'll see you later.